What if a machine, an artificial intelligence, had to make a life and death decision? Would it make the same choice as you? These questions aren't just the stuff of science fiction anymore. As we increasingly integrate artificial intelligence into our lives, they become more than hypotheticals. They become ethical considerations that we must grapple with. Artificial intelligence, or AI, is transforming the world as we know it. From healthcare and finance to transportation and education, AI has the potential to revolutionize industries and improve lives. Imagine a world where AI could predict natural disasters, diagnose diseases before symptoms appear, or even revolutionize our education system by personalizing learning for each student. The possibilities are truly boundless, but as with any powerful technology, AI isn't without its risks. Consider, for instance, the issue of bias in AI algorithms. If not carefully managed, these algorithms can perpetuate and even amplify societal inequalities. Or think about data privacy and security. AI systems often rely on vast amounts of personal data, raising concerns about how this data is used and protected. And let's not forget about the ethical implications of AI-driven decision-making. Who is accountable when an AI system makes a mistake? How transparent are these decision-making processes? These are just a few of the ethical conundrums that arise in the realm of AI. As we continue to advance and rely on this technology, it's crucial that we navigate these considerations carefully. We must ensure that AI is developed and used responsibly, with an emphasis on fairness, accountability, and transparency. The ethical landscape of AI is complex and multifaceted, but it's a landscape we must traverse if we are to fully harness the benefits of AI while mitigating its potential risks. As we delve deeper into the world of AI, we must tread carefully, ensuring that ethical considerations guide our path. Imagine a world where an AI system decides who gets a loan, a job, or even a kidney transplant. What ethical challenges might we encounter? In the realm of artificial intelligence, bias is a pressing concern. AI systems are trained using data, and if that data reflects societal prejudices, those biases can be amplified in AI outcomes. Picture a hiring algorithm trained on a dataset that includes predominantly male executives. This AI might unintentionally favor male candidates, perpetuating gender imbalance in leadership roles. Data privacy is another critical issue. AI thrives on data, often personal and sensitive. An AI that predicts health risks based on genetic information, for instance, raises questions about who has access to that data, how it's used, and how it's protected. Then there's the challenge of accountability. Who bears responsibility when an AI makes a mistake or causes harm? If an autonomous vehicle programmed to avoid pedestrians hits a cyclist instead, who is at fault? The manufacturer of the vehicle, the programmers, or the AI system itself? Finally, we must consider the potential for unintended consequences. AI systems can be incredibly complex and unpredictable. When Google's AlphaGo surprised everyone by making a move that no human Go player would consider, it was a revelation of AI's potential. But what happens when such surprises are less benign? What if an AI designed to maximize efficiency in electricity usage inadvertently causes a citywide blackout? These challenges remind us that while AI holds great promise, it also carries significant ethical considerations. Scene script. How do we navigate the ethical labyrinth of AI? The answer lies in ethical frameworks and guidelines. To tackle the ethical challenges that AI presents, we need a roadmap. That's where ethical frameworks and guidelines come into play. Like a compass in a storm, they guide us through the complexities, ensuring that we develop and deploy AI responsibly. One of the key principles in these frameworks is fairness. Fairness is about ensuring that AI systems do not perpetuate or amplify societal inequalities. It's about making sure that AI benefits everyone, not just a select few. It requires careful consideration of the data we feed into our AI systems, ensuring that it represents a diverse range of experiences and perspectives. Next up is transparency. Transparency means opening up the black box of AI, making it clear what data the AI is using, how it's processing that data, and how it's arriving at its decisions. This openness helps build trust in AI systems and allows for meaningful oversight and scrutiny. Then we have accountability. Accountability is about ensuring that there is a clear line of responsibility for AI outcomes. If an AI system makes a mistake, who is responsible? Is it the developers, the users, or the AI itself? These are difficult questions, but they are crucial to address in order to maintain public trust in AI. Finally, inclusivity is a principle that should guide every step of the AI development process. It's about ensuring that AI is designed with all users in mind, taking into account the diverse range of human experiences and needs. Inclusivity helps prevent bias and ensures that AI systems are accessible and beneficial to all. These principles of fairness, transparency, accountability, and inclusivity form the cornerstone of ethical AI frameworks. They provide a roadmap to navigate the complex ethical landscape of AI, guiding us towards responsible and ethical AI development and deployment. With these ethical frameworks, we can steer the AI ship responsibly, ensuring it serves humanity in a fair and equitable manner. Ethics isn't just theoretical, it has real-world implications. Let's see how. In the dynamic world of AI, ethics play a pivotal role. They guide us, acting as a moral compass in the vast ocean of technology. But what happens when this compass is ignored, or worse, not calibrated correctly? Let's delve into some real-world applications and case studies. Take the instance of an AI system used for hiring processes. This system was trained on data from a predominantly male workforce. The result? It developed a bias against female candidates, perpetuating an existing inequality. This is a clear example of how ignoring ethical considerations can lead to harmful consequences. On the other hand, consider the case of a healthcare AI system. The developers actively worked to mitigate bias by including diverse patient data in the training set. They also implemented rigorous privacy measures to protect sensitive patient information. The result was a system that could provide accurate diagnoses while respecting patient privacy. A shining example of how ethical AI practices can lead to positive outcomes. In both cases, the same technology was used, but the outcomes were vastly different. The difference? Ethical considerations. But let's not stop there. Consider high-profile incidents where AI systems have failed to uphold ethical standards. One such instance was a facial recognition system that misidentified an innocent individual, leading to their wrongful arrest. This incident underscores the grave consequences of neglecting ethics in AI and highlights the need for accountability and transparency. However, it's not all doom and gloom. There are organizations out there championing ethical AI practices. They're conducting algorithmic audits, implementing bias mitigation techniques, and developing privacy-preserving technologies. Their efforts are making a real difference, demonstrating that it is indeed possible to navigate the ethical landscape of AI successfully. These real-world examples underscore the importance of embedding ethics into AI to harness its potential responsibly. The exploration of ethical AI doesn't end here. It's just the beginning. We've journeyed through the landscape of AI ethics, from understanding the pressing challenges to exploring real-world case studies and discovering frameworks for responsible AI. Yet, our work is far from over. Artificial intelligence is a living, evolving entity. It's not something that we build once and then leave alone. It adapts, learns, and morphs in response to new data, new environments, and new challenges. And so too must our understanding and approach to its ethical implications. We must continually strive to understand the nuances, to question the status quo, and to challenge ourselves to do better. Education plays a pivotal role in this journey. It's not enough to merely learn about ethical AI. We must also unlearn biases, question assumptions, and challenge the norms that have been established. We must strive to understand AI not just from a technological perspective, but from a human one, considering the societal, psychological, and philosophical implications. Collaboration is another crucial ingredient in our pursuit of ethical AI. This isn't a challenge that can be tackled by developers or ethicists alone. It requires the collective intelligence, wisdom, and effort of all of us. Policymakers, educators, researchers, technologists, and everyday citizens, we all have a stake in the AI of tomorrow. So let's engage in the dialogue, let's educate ourselves and others, and let's collaborate to navigate this complex ethical landscape. It's crucial that we all partake in this conversation, for the decisions we make about AI today will have far-reaching implications for the generations to come. Join us in shaping a future where AI serves humanity ethically and responsibly, because the decisions we make today will shape the AI of tomorrow.